Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video I am going to solve one of the interesting and very simple questions of chapter number 7 of operation management. This is a lecture number 46 and this question already comes in December 2017 examinations, carries 10 marks. So very important and very interesting also. So without any further wasting time, let's get started. A public transport company is experiencing the following number of breakdowns per month over the past 2 years in their new fleet of vehicles. Here number of breakdowns given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of months this occurred given 3, 6, 9, 4, 2, or you can say frequency of this occurred. Each breakdown cost the company an average of rupees 2500, right? For a cost of rupees 1700 per month, one of the preventive maintenance can be carried out to limit the breakdown cost to an average of 1 per month. Then, which policy is suitable for the company? Simply the question asks, which policy should the company will implement, whether breakdown cost or preventive maintenance cost? Whether breakdown cost or preventive maintenance cost. So let's solve this question. So here we need to in question given number of breakdown, simply number of breakdowns, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again number of month this occurred means frequency of the month, means frequency how much 36942, यहाँ लिख दो 36942, right? Now we have to find out the frequency percentage. We need to find out frequency percentage. So how to find out frequency percentage? For that we need to consolidate the frequency, that is 36942, it will be 24, right? So frequency will be 3 by 24, 6 by 24, 9 by 24, 4 by 24 and 2 by 24. यह आ जाएगा आपका 3 by 24 means 0.125, again 6 by 24, यह आ जाएगा 0.25, again 9 by 24, 9 by 24, यह आ जाएगा आपका 0.375, again 4 by 24, 4 by 24, यह आ जाएगा आपका 0.167, then again 2 by 24, यह आ जाएगा 2 by 24 is equal to 0.083, right? ये आ गया आपका फ्रीक्वेंसी परसेंटेज. नाउ वी हैव टू add the all, it will be 1, right? So we obtain frequency percentage. Now we have to find out the expected value of the breakdown cost, expected value. Okay, so how to calculate expected value? In order to calculate expected value, we need to multiply frequency into number of breakdowns, frequency percentage into number of breakdowns, frequency percentage into number of breakdowns. So first 0.125 into 0 is equal to 0, then second 0.25 into 1, it will be 1, then 0.375 into 2, 0.375 into 2, 0 point, सॉरी 0.25 ये आ जाएगा आपका 0.25, सॉरी, देन 0.375 इंटू 2, 0.375 into 2, 0.75, right? Then 0.167 into 3, 0.167 into 3, it will be 0.501, right? Now again 0.083 into 4, 0.083 into 4 is equal to 0.332, okay, 332. So in this way, now we have to add the all 0.25 plus 0.75 plus 0.50 plus 0.332, 1.832, 1.832, right? यह आ गया आपका 1.832. So now we have to find out the breakdown cost. Now breakdown cost, okay, so how to find out breakdown cost? Here breakdown cost will be your expected value. It will be expected value plus, sorry, into breakdown cost. The company an average of 2500, average breakdown cost, average breakdown cost, okay. So if we calculate, multiply expected value into average breakdown cost, we will obtain expected value 1.832 into average breakdown cost 2500, and it will be 1.832 into 2500, it will be 4580, okay. So we obtain the breakdown cost. Now we have to calculate the preventive maintenance cost. We have to calculate preventive maintenance cost in order to know which policy is suitable for the company. Then preventive maintenance cost, whether breakdown cost will be applied by company या फिर preventive maintenance cost. So if now how to calculate preventive maintenance cost? In order to calculate preventive maintenance cost, first we need to check average contract cost कितना था. Average contract cost here given that for a cost of 1700 per month, preventive maintenance can be carried out. Means average cost of one breakdown or maintenance contract cost, maintenance contract cost monthly 1700, right? 1700, okay. Then average cost of one breakdown will be Average cost of one breakdown here given 2500. So now average cost of one breakdown will be 2500. If we add the maintenance contract cost and average cost of one breakdown, it will be 1700 plus it will be 4200. Okay, so here preventive maintenance cost will be 4200, but here breakdown cost will be 4580. So preventive maintenance cost will be less than breakdown cost. Preventive maintenance cost will be less than breakdown cost, because if we subtract 4580 minus 4200, then 380 less cost incurred in case of preventive maintenance. So always better to do preventive maintenance. So it is suitable. So you can write that it is suitable to implement preventive maintenance Okay, so always better to implement preventive maintenance cost, as the cost of preventive maintenance cost will be less as compared with breakdown cost. Okay, so in this way I have nicely explained and solved this question. You need to practice it as many times as possible, at least 4 to 5 times, so that you can easily solve this question at examination, and you will obtain 10 marks. Okay, so this is it all about breakdown cost and preventive maintenance cost. In the next video I have to solve next illustration of chapter number 7, right? So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.